everyone, Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Located in the heart of downtown Hamilton, just steps to GO Transit, as well as all lifestyle amenities, is an opportunity to live in the iconic Residences of the Royal Connaught. This 2-bedroom, 2 full bath executive unit has 1,030 square feet, plus a private balcony. Welcome to Unit 1008 at 112 King Street East. Unit 1008, the Queenston, is one of the most popular layouts at the Royal Connaught. There are 9-foot ceilings, as well as 8-foot solid wood doors. The open concept kitchen and living room offers beautiful cabinetry, quartz counters, and a large island, a perfect space for entertaining. There's a private balcony that overlooks the courthouse with views of the escarpment and even the lake. There are 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a primary with a walk-in closet and a stunning ensuite bath. The unit also includes 1 underground parking space and a large storage locker directly beside the unit. This historic hotel conversion has been exquisitely restored, offering original architecture and modern amenities, including a full gym, a theater, a party room, a rooftop entertaining area, and this spectacular lobby with 24-hour security. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.